Let us make this beautiful trouser. So
Pulls
I'll
this
start by
trouser is
drawing a
for
straight
elastic
line,
waistband.
coming down by 2
If
inches.
you
I'll
want to
draw a
sew
straight
without
line.
elastic,
I'll repeat the same
pulls
process
make
at the
use
edge
of
of
your
my
normal
paper.
waist
Because
measurement
my ruler
plus
is
1
2
inch
inches, so I
allowance.
have to use it as a guideline. So after that, the next measurement I'm going to bring down here is the lines for my body measurements. So like my hip line, crotch line, knee line, and my the length of my trouser line. So right now I'm coming down by 9 inches for my hip line. After that, I will go down by 14 inches for my crotch line, because this is a big trouser. It's a full trouser, so it's a free side trouser, so I have to come down by 14 inches. I'll repeat the same process here. So after that, I will use my straight ruler to draw a straight line. I'll use my straight ruler to draw a straight line. So after drawing a straight line, the next measurement I'm going to bring down will be my new measurement. My new measurement, which is 25 inches. So after bringing it down, I'll come down to the length of my trouser. Then I'll use my straight ruler and draw a straight line. I think this video is running faster than my voice. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do here now, look at me, this is me coming down by my new measurement, which is 25 inches. So after that, I will go down to my trouser length. I will draw a straight line. So after that, after measuring, coming down by my knee line and my trouser length, I'll draw a straight line. The next thing I will do is to start putting my body measurement. I will divide my hip by 4. Divide your hip circumference by 4. Whatever your answer is, you put it on your hip line and on your waistline, also in your crotch line. So after putting it in your crotch line, then you determine your crotch extension. If you're on a bigger size, use 3. If you're on a smaller size, use 2.5. So right here, I'm trying to label them. I think I'm being too fast here. I'm trying to label them now. So after labeling them now, I'll be putting my body measurements. My hip circumference divided by 4. I will put it here. I will also add it on my waistline and on my crotch line. I'm trying to add it to my crotch line, and I will also add it on my waistline. So I'll use my straight ruler and draw a straight line. So right now, you will determine your crotch extension. If you're on a bigger size, like I said before, use 3. If you're on a smaller size, use 2.5. I'm going to use 2.5 here for my crotch extension. I try to measure. So I'll make use of my marker and draw. So right now I'm going to come out by 1 inch. You can do 2 inches, you can do 1.5, depending on your preference. This is a free trouser, so make it as comfortable as I'm trying to use my curve ruler to curve it to my crotch line. in between your crotch line and hip line, you will come out by 1 inches or 1.5 or 2 inches, depending on how you like it. So use your curve ruler to curve. So whatever you have here now, measure whatever you have on your crotch. You minus 2 inches and take it down. But if you want your trouser more fuller, don't minus anything. Just take it down to your hemline. Use your straight ruler and draw a straight line. If you want it more fuller, do not remove anything. Just whatever you have on your crotch, put it on your trouser length, your hemline. Then you draw a straight line like I'm doing now. But in this, I minused 2 inches. On this one, I minus 2 inches because I don't want it too fuller. So I'm just showing you how you do your own, how you make your pattern. This is the making of the pattern. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add your 2.5 inches or 3 inches for back, because we are drafting both the front and the back here together. So I've added 2.5 inch to my hemline, from my crotch line to my hemline. Then I would also repeat the same thing to the waist of my trouser. Then I'll use my curve ruler and curve it here. Then use my straight ruler and draw a straight line to the length of my trouser. Just watch exactly what I'm doing. Watch closely. You understand what I'm doing, please. So I'll make use of my curve ruler to curve the crotch side. Then I will make use of my straight ruler to draw a straight line to the hem of my trouser. Please, if you're on a bigger size, use 3 inches. If you're on a smaller size, use 2.5. Please use 2.5. So my phone went off, so I did not know it wasn't recording again. After charging it, I started over. So this is me covering my crotch area. So and then I will use a straight ruler to draw a straight line to the hem of the trouser. After going out by 2.5, if you're on a bigger size, use 3 inches. So after that, you come up here for butt lift. You mark 1.5 inch. Sorry, you mark 1 inch. You can do 1.5 though. You mark 1 inch. Use your straight ruler and draw a straight line to the on your waistline. Draw a straight line to the side of your pattern. And that crotch area, go up by 1 inch. Draw a straight line to the side of your trouser. Just watch the way I did it. So that is all for the cutting of the drafting of the both front and back pattern. So right now I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to cut it out now and I will show you. So by the time after cutting your back trouser in your pattern, then you will eliminate the back, the allowance you added for the back here. These 2 inches that I added here. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to cut it out now, then I'll cut it on the pattern. Cut the back on the pattern. After cutting the back, you eliminate the 2.5 inches you added for the allowance for the back of the trouser. Then use the front to cut your front pattern. That is all. Look at it after cutting it here. Now the next thing I will do now is to remove the 2.5 inches that I added here. Look at it. I'm going to remove them now. I'll cut it out. Then I will also cut out the other side. Then I'll cut out this side. So what will remain now is the front of the trouser. After cutting it out, we now have the front of our trouser. So this is the front. You now use this one to cut out your front. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Always like and subscribe. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.